Today, pag-uusapan natin one super duper budget phone na nilabas ni Xiaomi. And I have here is the all-new Redmi A1. So, of course, we know that si Xiaomi, meron din si sariling Xiaomi Mi A1. But this time around, si Redmi naman naka-receive ng A series. I'm not quite sure what to expect from this one, but i-unbox muna natin right now. Samahan niyo ako. Hi guys, ako pala search mo ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So I have here the very ultra budget phone na Redmi A1. And by the way guys, ang early bird price itong phone na ito is pegged at 3,999 and ang kanyang regular SRP would be 4,499. Now simulan natin with a quick unboxing. So kita natin the box is very simple. Redmi A1 and with of course the easy access to the Google apps that you use the most. Well, lagi naman to may patama sa Huawei. And so I have here is the very basic variant, 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, and the color is black. Ang kanyang unboxing is not the same as the usual na ibubuksan mo lang box. This one, kailangan mo lang ihilain sa gilid. And if you flip open mo siya, ganito ang bagong unboxing dito sa budget phone na ito. Of course, taking out, flip it over, para makita natin ang itsura ng phone. The phone is very basic. You have 2 cameras at the back. Yung kanyang design ng camera is quite similar to that of the Xiaomi 12. Itabi muna natin. Let's see what other things inside the box. Quick start guide, safety information sheet, and warranty card. Micro USB cable guys. 2022 na. Micro USB pa rin. But of course, can't blame it. Super budget phone. 10 watts chargers guys. I mean 2020 na and we're still using a 10 watts charger. Well, of course, still can't blame it. Super budget phone nga talaga. Going down to business, of course, ang likod niya medyo may pagka-fox leather finish, which is definitely a little bit different than the other Redmi series. So, simulan natin with a quick phone tour. So, sa ilalim, meron siyang audio jack, ang kanyang micro USB port, and of course, ang kanyang microphone in. On the sides, wala siyang fingerprint scanner, of course, dahil budget phone lang siya, power button, and volume rocker lang. Sa ibabaw, kanyang loudspeaker, himala, walang kanyang IR blaster. Parang hindi Xiaomi. And of course, ang kabilang side is kanyang SIM tray. Sundutin lang natin, and kita natin it's a triple card slot. Pwede ka mag-expand ng memory card dito. Micro SD. Sa likod, of course, ang kanyang rear camera na 8MP and the other one probably is a sensor. Sa harap, of course, ang kanyang 5MP na front-facing shooter. And kita natin ang kanyang bezels are quite thick. Kahit sa ilalim, chunky din ang kanyang baba. Babaloo! Now, itong phone na ito is very simple. Everything dito is very simple. Like I said, ang kanyang screen is a 6.52-inch na IPS LCD up to 400 nits ang kanyang maximum brightness. Kaya na mag-display up to 720p. So, watching some videos dito sa phone na ito, it's quite okay. I could say na talaga pang entry level ang mga videos dito. Talagang very basic lang. Don't expect too much from this phone. But kung gusto mo manood ng video while on the go, nakakommute kayo sa bus, sa jeep, okay naman to. I don't see any problem. Now, if you want to watch some videos at a higher resolution, I would suggest that you check some of my other reviews ng Redmi na devices like the Redmi 10C, which is definitely better. Now, ang phone na ito comes in 3 colors. We have the black, the light blue, and the light green. Now, itong phone na ito comes equipped with the MediaTek Helio A22. So, don't expect too fast dahil ito lang ang score na nakuha niya from Antutu benchmark. And sometimes, mafe-feel mo talaga opening some apps are a little bit sluggish. Kahit si Geekbench, well, at par sila ni Antutu, giving a score just like this. Now, on the flip side, I can say that this phone is good for watching videos on Facebook, TikTok, and browsing your favorite social media sa Twitter, sa Instagram. Okay, walang problema. Kaya-kaya na itong phone na ito. Kahit 60Hz naman siya, well, okay, pumapasa naman sa akin kahit papaano. I did try to play the Call of Duty Mobile dito. Well, I can say na it's hardly, I can say na playable. Well, nakakatawid naman on lowest graphical settings, pero kahit lowest graphical settings, mafe-feel mo medyo naglalag pa rin siya. So, well, mapapansin mo talaga maiiwan ka when you're playing Call of Duty Mobile dito sa phone na ito. Now, taking some selfies dito sa phone na ito using its 5MP na front-facing camera, I can say, uy, kay papaano decent ang kanyang mga pictures na nakukuha niya from indoor, from outdoor, okay naman. I can say na pretty much decent. Taking some photos using the rear 8MP camera, okay naman siya. Not really the best and the punchiest photos I've taken, but for a entry-level phone na kaya mag-take in some photos like this, I can say na not bad. Now, using this phone for Zoom meeting, this is how it would look like. Panoorin nyo to. So guys, this is the quality of the video that you'll be getting out of the Redmi A1. So shooting at 1080p 30 fps, this is probably something simply okay, entry level for Zoom meeting, Viber chat, and well, just some selfie videos, just like this. Now, one good thing dito sa phone na ito, having a 5,000 mAh of battery, it can survive 20 hours of screen on time. Meaning, sobrang makunat ang battery nito. So, tinry ko naman siya i-gamitin as my second device. And, well, halos 3 araw kaya na itagal on my normal usage, which for me, definitely off the chart. Sobrang kunat ng battery nito. Though charging using the 10 watts charger might take around mga 3 hours just to complete the full charging cycle from 0 to 100. Now, ngayon guys, if you ask me if I would recommend this Redmi A1 to you, well, on the average consumer, I would say na medyo bitin siya, except that if you're looking for a very nice na long battery life na phone or probably a backup phone, this would definitely be a good na pang-backup na phone. But if you're looking for a better entertainment package na phone, I would hardly recommend this one. But I would rather recommend the Redmi 10C instead. Magdadagdag ka lang konti at around 6,000 plus, you get definitely everything better on that phone. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi nyo miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richman and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?